guys, this is Nina, my student, and we were working today on a Beethoven Pathetic. So Nina is going to share with you some important points what we were talking today. Please, Nina.
So I'm having trouble reading some of the notes because it's been so long since I've looked at a complicated piece like this. And Miss Elsa pointed out to me that I was very focused on getting all of the notes correctly. And in so doing, I was completely ignoring the story behind the music, the emotion behind the music. And having been written by Beethoven, who was a very troubled human, there's a lot of conflict in his writing, and he's purposefully having this piece start out like angry and harsh and loud, followed by whispers, and it's a sort of a ebb and flow of anger and a softness that we started looking at and creating the story of what could be happening as he's writing this music. So it becomes much easier to play and to learn, and really even to know the notes and know how to play them when you actually have the emotion behind it and a story behind it.
Great. So there was also the conflict for the 4 first bars, a conflict, right? As you said. And after that, next melody, very conflicting also, right? This one.
So we were in that second part that Miss Elsa just played. It was almost like he's got this internal conflict of thinking about, why is my life like this? Why did I have to be burdened like this? And then the other part of him saying, but you have it so well, and there are good things about your life, and almost like he's got this sort of devil on one shoulder, angel on the other, going back and forth until at the end, he just decides, the heck with it. I got to stop this internal struggle. I got to stop focusing on all of this stuff. Just throw it all away and just live and be free of it all. And then, he goes all the way down and then goes into this whole other second act that we will get to later.
Time. Thank you, Nina.
Thank you.
Hopefully you guys learned something from us. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye.